Bangladesh is set to beat India in terms of per capita GDP this year, and that's thanks to a sharp contraction in the Indian economy because of COVID-19 and the resultant lockdown. Now, that's the forecast from the International Monetary Fund's World Economic Outlook. Bangladesh's per capita GDP is expected to grow 4% in 2020. India's per capita GDP is expected to decline or contract by 10.5% to the lowest it's been in the last 4 years. This makes India the third poorest country in South Asia, with only Pakistan and Nepal reporting lower per capita GDP. Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives will all be ahead of India as per this economic forecast. Now, the World Economic Outlook's database suggests that the Indian economy is going to be the worst hit from the pandemic in South Asia after Sri Lanka, whose per capita GDP is expected to shrink 4%. Now, what is all of this going to mean? Already lots of questions being asked about this. The fact that until 5 years ago, India's per capita GDP was nearly 40% higher than Bangladesh's. So, is it just the effect of the COVID pandemic, or is this something that indicates that the economy has been in bad shape even before this? All of those questions now being raised. This report has created an absolute storm on social media as well.